A review of Mind Games. AS-SULI'S Diamond. That's what I'm wearing tonight. And I'm also reviewing Blockade. Let's hear for what I have to say. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a mud thing. I am on my way to an event, meeting with some people, and I've decided to wear one of my Discovery set fragrance from a Mind's Game. Recall that I am in the process of reviewing which one that I will get, and the one that I am wearing now is just banging. It's mysterious, it's alluring, it's beautiful. It goes with this beautiful rainy day in the city. I'll let you know what it is and give you my impression of it. I'm easily in one of the most romantic sites in the city of Chicago here. There are a couple of wedding pictures being taken here by a beautiful couple under the rain. That's so romantic. Obviously, to respect their privacy, I'm not showing, but inspired me to sort of show you around. Just beautiful city under the rain. I am in my Uber getting ready to go to a dinner event, and still under the rain. It's just very nice. So I am soon arriving. I'm taking you along with me on this ride. So we call that I'm taking you on a little evening ride with me, and I'm reviewing two fragrances by Mind Games. I just arrived at this Mediterranean restaurant, one of the best ever in Jos Tavern. Oh my God, the food is just very amazing. I had my dinner with the people. Yeah, the food was amazing. Oh my God, it was very amazing. Yeah, thank you. All right, guys, so I finally found some quiet moment to discuss fragrance. It's really nice to get back talking to you on YouTube. Like when you're out, I don't know if you've experienced that. So my followers who are content creators can attest to that, I'm sure. Even when you're out on YouTube for 2 months, you're like, can I ever go back? You feel you lose your voice. You lose the connection, but then it comes back and it's very welcome. So I'm happy to be back for what it's worth. Still loving fragrances, what can I say? This is Mind Games. I bought this Discovery set. I have already reviewed Castling on my trip downtown. I reviewed Castling. And then I got to experience Blockade. And it was stupendous. Blockade was stupendous. I had given Castling an 8. I would give Blockade a 9 for impact. Blockade, not sure if you can read that from here. It was just, they say that it is a Creed Adventist vibe, totally that. It's totally Creed Adventist vibe. It come across beautiful, beautiful. I was just enjoying it completely. And oh my God, this beautiful mango. That's one of the nicest mango fragrances that I have smelled. It just come across so beautiful. Mango, bergamot. It's just very, very beautiful. What can I say? Blockade, I think, is a winner in the mind games game. It didn't last a lot on me, and I usually don't care so much about things not lasting, but for some reason, Blockade didn't last a lot. So obviously for something close to 400, one might have to think about it. But besides that, it's badass vibe, Creed Adventist vibe, I agree. Fresh fruit, has some oud, I'm sure, but you can't really smell it. It's just a beautiful fall fragrance, beautiful summer fragrance. You cannot not really like Blockade when you first smell it. Seriously, someone can easily fall in love with Blockade at first scent. It's this mango, oud, leather, and oud. You don't really get the oud per se, but the mango and the leather and some suede, it feels like. Can I say Blockade is beautiful? So that's my review of Blockade. The only reason I probably wouldn't get Blockade is that it feels slightly masculine to me. It feels like it has some lavender in it, which makes it, but it's a dynamic fragrance. Really, if you're not really into trying to be too girly and you're looking for top mango fragrance, I think Blockade is certainly a good candidate. Beautiful. But today, for my dinner event, I wore this one, AS-SULI'S Diamond. It was beautiful. I can see why they talk about this whole line of mind games. AS-SULI'S Diamond was just a beautiful fragrance. It was perfect. It's an evening fragrance. And it lasted, it was beautiful. It felt sexy. It's a beautiful night fragrance. So for night, I'll give it a 10. It's a perfect night fragrance. For day, I probably would not want to wear that, certainly not during summer. So if you're looking for a fragrance that's very versatile, maybe AS-SULI'S Diamond is not that fragrance because it's undeniably warm. It's undeniably sexy and beautiful. So I felt really beautiful wearing AS-SULI'S Diamond. This fragrance, as soon as you smell it, the AS-SULI'S Diamond, it's unmistakably it's unmistakably Middle Eastern fragrance. It's very resinous, it's very woody, but I thought it had this luminous thing to it that just made it a very clean, resinous, woody, but not dark fragrance. I love the luminousness of it. The search continues between of those three, Castling, Blockade, AS-SULI'S. If someone were going to give me a gift, I probably would take, it's tough. I would take the Blockade for the mango, guys. You can never go wrong with mango, what can I say? And it didn't last on me, but maybe if someone reapplied it, or I was sweaty that day, maybe I was working too hard that day and it went away. So, yes, guys, so that's my review. Hope you enjoyed this content. Until next time, bye.